few words about Yogi Babu in Tamil.
Why, sir? Why? Okay. No, Tamil, no. But I think with Yogi Babu, sir, the days when we were shooting with him, I think that whole sketch I was only shooting with Sir, na? So I was in the shoot the whole time. I remember how hard I'd find to not laugh on shot.
Yeah.
Like everybody says
He's
something hard for me to not laugh. And the like one easy expressions he'll give, he'll be like, just look at us like that, and it's so hilarious. You feel like laughing, but you can't laugh. You're in the shot. Oh God! I think as how much fun it was, I found it equally hard to shoot with him. It's crazy.
People are asking in Tamil. So படம் நடிக்கும்போது எல்லா சீனுமே வந்து ரஷ்மிகாக்கு மேக்ஸிமம் யோகி பாபு கூட தான். ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு சீன்லயும் வந்து சிரிக்காம இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தாங்க.
ஆமா சார்.
I remember where we shot. No, you remember the place where we shot that small village?
Dindigul.
Yeah, Dindigul. Yeah, Kadavur.
Yeah.
What a beautiful place.
My hardest of my days, of course.
Hi Samir, thank you. First day for sure he's seeing the film. Thank you so much.
Hi.
A lot of Hindi fans are here, so people are asking to speak in Hindi.
बताइए क्या? I don't think I'll get any more Hindi films after me speaking in Hindi.
But how are you managing the dialogues in Hindi film? You always spoke Hindi, well?
No. For me, dialogues are very easy. It's just when I have to make a sentence and speak suddenly.
Conversation is difficult.
Yeah.
Right. Everybody's saying, please ask her to speak in Tamil only. Joni, hi Joni. Thank you.
So I did my first dubbing in Tamil now for an ad. I dubbed in Tamil. Like, oh, this is how hard the language is.
Yeah. People are saying, please talk in little bit Tamil, little bit Hindi, little bit Kannada. Everybody's here.
எனக்கு like I want to say I really like all these 5 languages. What do I say?
எனக்கு எல்லா லாங்குவேஜும் பிடிச்சிருக்கு. எனக்கு 5 லாங்குவேஜும் பிடிச்சிருக்கு.
No, each word I want to pick up from one language.
Amma. That I shouldn't ask me. So they're asking about Goodbye movie.
Goodbye.
Sorry, Surya அண்ணா வந்து இப்ப மதுரையில இருக்கார், ஷூட்டிங்ல இருக்கார்.
How is the situation, sir? Their COVID situation?
I think I don't know. There are no restrictions here. People are finding it safe only here. I think after the election is over, the campaigning and crowding has reduced. So I think here the situation will get better because there is no more crowding allowed anywhere.
Right.
Better here. Yeah.
Okay. Bombay, there's some sort of a curfew happening.
Okay.
7, 8 can't shoot. Weekends you can't shoot. And on the weekends and in the night. And there's also pretty much a lockdown in the evenings.
They're saying some restrictions will come here, but we haven't confirmed anything yet.
Right.
So.
Hi.
சரி, எல்லாரும் vote போட்டீங்களா? Did everybody vote yesterday? I wanted to know. Youngsters எல்லாரும் vote பண்ணீங்களா இல்ல ஜாலி ஹால் டைம் வீட்ல உட்கார்ந்துட்டீங்களா? I hope everybody voted. Somebody from Kolkata. Hi Harini. அப்பா நல்லா இருக்காங்க. தேங்க்யூ கார்த்திகேயன். அப்பா நல்லா இருக்காங்க. அப்பா டூயிங் ஃபைன். அப்பா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டோஸ் வேக்சின் போட்டாச்சு. செகண்ட் டோஸ் இனிமே தான் போடணும். Bhavyata, I love you. Thank you. So people are saying Mumbai alone, a lot of cases are there.
Yeah. I've heard so.
And I was, so many people have been following your work from other languages that everybody knows you here. So many people said I came only for Rashmika.
Ayyo.
Full love.
Now this is them just being nice. You are.
What?
Them just being nice. That's all.
Yeah, they're very kind. Achu, love from Kerala. Thank you, Achu.
I've been wanting to go live since I think for my birthday.
Okay.
But just with all of that which is happening, I'm just unable to find the time. And finally, we got some. Thank you for getting me live with you. I've been trying to go live
For a long time. Oh, yeah, they've been waiting for it. But so glad you could join also, since both of us could talk to them. So nice. Thank you. So much love for Kaidi movie. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
So, what was your thought for Kaidi release? Like, I remember you sitting there and you were just telling me that the Kaidi was releasing tomorrow and all of that. What was your thought?
No, I really enjoyed doing that film. Kaidi was quite an experience because I was working with a completely new crew, and every day, every scene was exciting for us. We were trying to shoot it very differently, not the regular way, and the emotions in the film was very new to me. A prisoner who's come out of the prison after 10 years of jail was quite an experience to enact. I really enjoyed that film, and when the film came out, we were very confident. It came on Diwali. People loved the film, and wherever I go, even I go to North India or wherever I go across, people keep asking when is Kaidi 2 coming. And that's the kind of excitement that film has created. I was very happy that film came to me actually.
Must have been such a new thing, no, for you as an actor, because it's not something you like an actor can do. It's
Not
such a
in
different. Yeah. Oh God.
Very satisfying film. Very satisfying film.
Must have been. That's what.
I think you have to go back to your shot. I think. So almost
Yes, sir.
30.
Yeah. Telling them please to sometime I have to go live. Please let me go off. But
So I should thank everybody for logging in, and thank you for all the love and support for Sultan. సుల్తాన్కి నీకు எல்லாரும் கொடுத்த வரவேற்புக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. అందరికీ నా ధన్యవాదాలు. చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ విత్ us. Thank you. Love you all.
Yeah.
Be safe. Be safe. Take care.
Sorry, sorry.
Bye-bye. Thank you guys.